Welcome to the Fuller Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 5:24 p.m. That is Central Time, and today is October 16th. And I'm not long home from the airport, and it's certainly been an eventful day. Unfortunately, I would have been recording earlier. I've been faffing around with microphones for the last half hour, but I believe that the issues I was having have been resolved. Now, we have seen gold rally almost 10% in 1 week alone, and that is already following several consecutive weeks on the upside. So I think it is now fair to say that the price is accelerating, and this is already a larger breakout than the one that we had previously, and it is going faster. So enthusiasm around the precious metals sector is certainly, I think, front and center. What we also saw today was that the dollar is a bit weaker and bonds were well bid, and the 10-year yield closed below 4% for the first time in quite a while. So that's certainly suggesting that there's demand. What we also then start to look at is that we have some weaker activity in regional banks. One of the things that I was rather enthused by on my visit to London was a bit of exposure to private credit and getting a chance to speak to people who are highly involved in the sector and ask some probing questions about, what exactly goes on. It certainly helped to cement some of my own views and my, I guess, really my understanding of exactly what's going on inside that particular asset class. Then, when we think about the wider stock markets, well, Wall Street was in mildly negative territory. It continues to look like the Nasdaq 100 is just pausing in the region of the 25,000 level. Then, in several sectors, we're seeing, for example, rare earth metals. There's a lot of enthusiasm. We're at the point in the cycle right now where money is being thrown at anything that has rare earth in the title. And this is very similar to the last time we had a big boom in rare earth metals. And admittedly, that was probably about 14 years ago. But back then, it was literally any company that said that they did rare earth metals was getting money thrown at it. So you had a lot of the exceptionally junior uranium miners rebranding themselves, and they then said, "Oh well, we also have rare earth metals, and please give us some money so that we get to build our mine." The reality is that the number of actual mines in existence is quite low, and the entire